Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking candles. They're so wonderful, giving glow to an event. Many of us have switched to battery operated. No muss, no fuss, remote control, even rechargeable. But the glow of a true flame, still many purists want that. So then with pure flame, you also get wax and the mess. The easiest way to help eliminate the wax mess is before you put the candle in the cylinder, add water. Have a base level of water, then place the candle in. That way when the candle is done, the wax can just slide right out. The water keeps it from sticking, so no muss, no fuss. Now you know how the pros do it.